Hello everybody, it's Mike from Mike's Place in Kent, Ohio again. You know, this time of year we got so many leftover peppers. This is something I actually learned from a guy named Tony Pizzuti. It's an Italian pepper concoction. And I tell you, I love it on a piece of bread or with some nice sliced meats or anything. So I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute video. You ready, Doug?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, cut the ends off. Sometimes I don't.
Yeah.
Right down the middle. And then I like to take the seeds out. Generally, I'll rinse these a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and chop them up. You know, there's so many of these peppers, Doug. You got to find things to do with them.
Yeah, peppers, they're definitely in abundance when you have a garden.
Okay.
So you chop up the garlic in it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, that should be good.
Man. What do we got here?
This is oregano.
Uh-huh. I think you just oreganoed in.
Yeah.
How much you put in there?
1, 2,
3.
3, maybe a pinch.
Ooh. It's looking good.
Okay.
So take me back to Mike's Place in Kent. They know how to put up with
Pepper?
Pepper.
Okay.
I love pepper. Now salt.
Salt.
Salt to taste.
So we had oregano, pepper, salt.
Right. We mix that to the Hungarian peppers and the garlic.
Uh-huh.
I'm diabetic, so I add sweet and low.
Okay.
So Doug, I'm gonna add probably 2 of these.
Ooh.
Okay?
Yep.
And the magical ingredient, extra virgin olive oil.
Love it.
Never go with enough extra virgin olive oil. Now all we do is mix.
Man.
And what you have is you're done. Now, the bad thing with extra virgin olive oil is when if you don't eat all this in one day and you put it in the refrigerator, it'll solidify. So then you got to bring it out to let it unsolidify.
Okay.
Okay, and I think we might need just a little more. Gosh, do I love extra virgin olive oil. You know, you can't really cook with extra virgin olive oil.
Really?
Yeah, you shouldn't. But I have, and it's never messed me up. At least not too bad. Okay?
Yep.
There we go, Doug.
Nice. Film crew and the taste testing crew. Now this is olive oil, which I love. All right, so you got peppers,
Garlic, oregano.
Is that too big of a bite?
Oh, hell no.
Okay. Oh man,
Isn't that good?
that's really good.
Don't ever throw away peppers.
It just got a little bite to it on the pepper, but that's a good taste.
Can you imagine it on a salad and stuff?
Yeah, it seemed like you always come up with these tastes I've never tasted.
Well, I've been inspired by Tony. So, Doug, I want to send some home so you can let your parents try it, okay?